Hi friends, in this video let us solve a DFT related question asked in Day 2011 easy paper. The question is, the first 6 points of 8-point DFT of a real valuable sequence are 5, 1 minus j3, 0, 3 minus j4, 0 and 3 plus j4. What are the last 2 points of the DFT? So for real valued sequence, the DFT has one property, that is x of k is equal to x star of n minus k. This is for real valued sequence, that is if x of n is real. Right, so what they are asking is last 2 points. Last 2 points means x of 6 and x of 7. Because it is a 8-point DFT. 8-point DFT means it will start from k is equal to 0 to 7. So last 2 points are 6 and 7. So x of 6 is nothing but k is 6. So x star n is 8 pointers. So it is n minus 6. So it is x star of 2. This is x star of 8 minus 1 because n is equal to 8-point DFT. So it is x star of 1. So what is x of 2? It is x of 0, x of 1, x of 2. X of 2 is 0. So x star of 2. Star means conjugated. Conjugate of 0 is 0. What is x star? X of 1? X of 1 is this one. It is x of 0, x of 1. 1 minus j3. X star 1 means conjugate of 1 minus j3. It is 1 plus j3. So the answer is 0, 1 plus j3. Option B is the right answer. Thank you.